All right, what is up, everybody? I hope you guys are doing well. We are in the backyard today. Really quick video. I just wanted to come on here and I changed up my settings on my Quadmula. I went ahead and changed my rates to, I'll put them up on screen. I changed my rates to 1,000 for the pitch and roll, and for the throttle and yaw, I changed that to 800. I believe it was 800, somewhere in there, somewhere around that ballpark. But I did boost my rates up a little bit because I went ahead and changed out my stick ends to these new sticks right here. These are the Grandmasters, I believe, from Thumb Grippies V3. So they are smaller than my last ones. They feel a lot different, obviously. A lot smaller, you know, like surface area to grab on. So I'm still kind of getting adjusted to it. So I just want to make a quick video of me flying with the new sticks and the new rates. So here I am. There's a little bee right there, just cruising around. I also changed the props. So I'm running the these props right here. These are the Ethix. He has so many. I think it's like the S3s, S4s. I'll leave them on screen. I went ahead and crashed my quad the other day, and unfortunately I broke my ND filter. This is supposed to be an ND32, but it looks, you know, clear, obviously. So I have new ones coming in literally today. So I'm rocking the stock, you know, no ND filter. So it just looks, the video might look a little different. So just bear with me. This is a quick video. I just wanted to get it out here. This is what it's gonna look like, actually. So yeah, let me put this in the air. I only have one pack, unfortunately. I didn't charge any packs, and I'm about to have to go to the airport. So I just wanted to get this out here. So enough of me jabbling on. Let me put this in the air. So another thing, unfortunately, I am recording this with the GoPros. I dropped my Nikon, my like actual face camera that I use for all my, you know, videos, in water while I was in San Diego. So that's no fun. So I'm gonna be using the GoPros until I get a new camera. But stay tuned. New camera should be an upgrade. Let's just say that. So yeah, guys, let's put this bad boy in the air. Like I said, we're just gonna go for a little test flight, just testing out these rates. 1,000. Let's see what it looks like. Now, obviously, it's gonna be a lot more sensitive and you know, faster. So it's gonna take a little getting used to. But I just wanted something that matched with the new stick ends, because I feel like the stick ends are so much more precise than my last ones. And so far, you know, like doing flips, like it literally flips in a split second. It's kind of crazy how fast this little thing can go. And also I'm flying with the GoPro 11 Mini, so that adds a little weight compared to my bones. So a little heavier, probably like 40 grams heavier, I want to say, somewhere in that ballpark. Nothing like crazy, but definitely you can feel it. I'm getting a little breakup right there as I'm not really facing the quad. But yeah, these new rates, guys, super like you know, more precise, more precision. I don't know how I'm feeling about these stick ends. I'm gonna have to get a little used to them because they're feeling different, you know. It's something I'm not used to, so maybe I'm just, you know, a little, you know what. Well, yeah, I'm really liking this quad, just in general. And it just snaps, guys, like just absolutely snaps. Oh, little rough landing right there, you know. But man, I feel like my fingers are kind of slipping off the off these grips, even though they're super spiky. But definitely, I don't know. I don't feel as planted. I thought these would give me a little more like resolution in the sticks. Like I'd have a little more, I don't know. I don't even know the word. A little more grip. I don't know. But these actually feel a little worse than the other sticks. If it ain't broke, don't fix it, I guess. But yeah, like the last settings that I had definitely weren't as, you know, precise as this, because I can really just whip this thing around. Obviously it's going to take a little getting used to with the higher rates, but man, this thing just absolutely kills. All right, low battery. I gotta come in for a landing. I've been trying to save my batteries a little better, like 21.8. Oh, that was rough as hell. All right, 1 second. All right, so yeah, I've been trying to land a little sooner than I usually do. I land at like 21.8 volts, 21.5. Sometimes I push it to like 21.2. Still getting her. Let me, oh snap, let me unplug this quad. But still definitely getting some, you know, decent flight times. Are the motors hot? That is a question you guys asked. They're warm right now, definitely warm on the warmer side. After ripping it like that, it's probably 66 degrees outside. But yeah, guys, this thing is doing pretty well. I've crashed this frame, knock on wood, a bunch of times, and the only thing I've really broken was like the little. All right, so what I was saying, bear with me here, I'm using the GoPro like I said. The only thing that I really broke was these little things, the motor wire covers, which, I mean, those are pretty cheap to replace. I'm pretty straight with breaking those. Broke one of those right there, and then the other ones are okay. Frame has been holding up quite well. It has been holding up really well. I can't complain. I did add a little weight, like I was saying earlier, with the GoPro Mini, and I have a 3D printed case. I don't know why I don't have it on it, but frame has been holding up pretty well. I'm rocking the pretty decent cam angle, as you guys can see. I don't know what that is. It's all the way up. Like, it won't let me go any further up, but that's probably like 30 degrees. I'll have to measure it. Pretty high, but I like it. You can get your shots going fast, and then you can still like hover without it being too much of an issue. But my initial impressions with the higher rates, I'm really liking that. Obviously it's going to take a little time to get used to. I don't know how I like those the stick ends, these new stick ends. I feel like my hand right here, now that it's starting to be summer, it's slipping off a little bit. So I might actually be switching back to the other ones. We'll see. I might order some new ones. Honestly, I'm just testing out things to see what I like, see what sticks, and going with the flow of things. So yeah, y'all, that is today's short little video, just testing out the rates. Leave a comment down below. What are your guys' rates for your quads? Like I said, this is 1,000 pitch and roll, and then like 800, I want to say, for the yaw. So yaw and throttle. Well, throttle doesn't even have a rate, I guess. So whatever. I might be heading out of town here soon, and I'm definitely going to be bringing the quad again. Hopefully you guys like some of that San Diego content. I'll leave it a surprise for where I'm going next, but I'll probably be heading out here in like a couple weeks. So with that being said, hopefully you guys like this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. We hear you, bud.